This rice porridge with abalone is a quick and nutritious meal produced by Dongwon. This dish is a specialty of Jeju Island in South Korea. It is considered a delicacy. Abalones are marine snails that are harvested off the coasts of Jeju Island. This tasty meal is convenient to prepare in the microwave or on the stovetop. This rice porridge is distributed by DW Global Incorporated in California and is a product of South Korea. Dongwon Company believes good food is good medicine. They strive to be the most reliable food service company with a vision to deliver unique value and contribute to the health and happiness of their customers. The flavor of this porridge is deep and savory. Its core ingredients are white and sticky rice, abalone, carrots, and mushrooms. The texture is satisfyingly smooth and tender. Abalone has a delicious flavor similar to scallops. It is believed that abalone supports general health and vitality and is often served to family members who fall sick and need a hearty, healthy meal. This porridge can be enjoyed at any mealtime and is often eaten for breakfast. Each pouch of porridge like this contains one large 420 gram serving, which contains 300 calories. One serving contains half a gram of fat, no cholesterol, 570 milligrams of sodium, 64 grams of total carbohydrates, 4 grams of dietary fiber, 25 grams of total sugars, and 9 grams of protein. The allergy information is listed in bold and includes fish, soybean, and wheat. You may store this porridge in a cool, dry place until ready to enjoy. It can be stored for up to 9 months. Preparing this porridge is as easy as opening the top of the pouch and popping it in the microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Alternatively, you could boil the entire pouch unopened in water for 10 minutes. After warming, the pouch will be hot, so be careful to not burn yourself. Carefully pour the porridge in a bowl and enjoy. Each bite is savory, creamy, and hearty. You can enjoy this meal all by itself, but feel free to accompany it with a crunchy salad, some pot stickers, or a veggie plate. Now, I will prepare this rice porridge with abalone according to the instructions for you to see. Here, you can see the warm porridge. It looks and smells hearty and delicious. I love that this rice porridge is simple to prepare. I love enjoying authentic Korean flavors while saving time, and I know you will too. I hope you'll try it out to enjoy the savory, hearty flavor of this rice porridge with abalone.